What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to turn your notebook LM PPTs or presentations into editable slide decks. So this is a very cool slide deck that I've developed using notebook LM. It looks really awesome. But the problem is you cannot edit it and there's damn notebook LM logo on the bottom, right? So we want to change that. So what you do first is, well, you can either go ahead and share it with people, or you can go ahead and download first. It downloads as a PDF. It's annoying, but then you need another tool, which is Canva. Canva is super easy to edit. On the left side, you'll see something called as create, and then there is something called upload, and then you can upload your PDF right here. It takes a minute, and honestly, I mean, I tried finding a lot of alternatives. There is none. There is no hack, sadly. There you go. Now click on Canva. It just shows up here, so you can edit that, and boom, now the stuff is in Canva, right? Now thing is, every one of this is an image basically, right? So since everything is an image, it's again difficult to edit anything. But Canva Premium, which costs about $5, I think, comes with a lot of AI features that allows you to change stuff. So if I go ahead and go to elements, actually no, just edit this, click on edit here, you'll get a lot of areas where you can start editing. And typically in this edit image feature, just go scroll right here to something called as text. When you click on text, it starts finding all the text features. There you go. See all the text features. And now you can edit that one, and you can either grab text, you can edit the text, all of that. There you go. You can edit stuff here, right? Now I will keep it as is. I won't change it. But now let me show you how to remove the freaking Notebook LM logo that none of us want. This stuff. All right. So what we will do here is we will zoom into this notebook, this thing. I hope it's visible. All right, you know what? I'll just make myself somewhere here so that you can see this. Okay. Now what we will do is we'll do the same thing. We'll click on the picture. We'll go to edit. Or you know what? You can just go to eraser. There's something called as magic eraser. Just click on that. Just just zoom into that part which says notebook LM. That is it. Okay. Change the erase size and just remove this. There you go. And hit erase, and it takes like a minute and it removes the logo. You might have to do it a couple of times, but look at this, it's good as gone. Right, you just have to do the same thing a couple of times and you're good to go, right? Just click, you have a magic eraser, just remove the shears and boom, it's gone. There you go. So you just have to do it across the board, and then the notebook LM, uh, the logo will be gone, and you can use it as new. All right. So it's a very simple hack. If you enjoyed it, I think it's if you enjoyed it, just hit subscribe. I publish a lot of videos around using AI tools to improve your efficiency in work and business everywhere. So if you like this kind of stuff, just hit subscribe and hit like, right? See you in the next video.